In a world marked by rapid change and evolving challenges, traditional education systems often struggle to meet the diverse needs of students. The persistence of rigid, standardized curricula, deeply rooted in tradition, can hinder the development of well rounded individuals ready to thrive in a world of today and tomorrow. One size fits all approach prioritizes uniformity over flexibility, disregarding the unique strengths and preferences of individual learners. The result? Disengagement, frustration, and a missed opportunity for holistic personal development. But there is hope. Introducing the Cosmic Education for the Past, Present, and the Future project. A revolution in learning that transcends the confines of conventional education. This innovative approach is designed to nurture profound understanding and prepare students for the complex work we live in. Cosmic education is a versatile and inclusive approach, benefiting learners of all ages. It offers a unique perspective on learning, adaptable to individuals at any stage of their educational journey. At the heart of this transformative experience is the Cosmic Toolkit, a comprehensive guide for educators, parents, and students. It outlines a research-backed methodology providing step-by-step guidance for implementation and active engagement. Cosmic education immerses students in nature-based courses, practical environments, and hands-on studies. Workshops like cyanotype photography and mind and music theory emphasize community engagement and cultural significance. Through initiatives like Fridays for Future, students develop a sense of responsibility towards the environment, instilling a lifelong consciousness about the world around them. They learn and understand that we as humans are a product and part of our surroundings. Grounding ourselves to appreciate the importance of the environment we live in is crucial to open up their minds. By adopting the Socratic method, Cosmic education elevates critical thinking skills, empowering students to think independently and become lifelong learners. We are not looking at students segregated into classrooms just by age. Cosmic education brings together students of a few age groups. For example, ages 6 to 8 would learn together, accounting for varying emotional and mental maturity of the students. We don't want to confine students to a classroom based on their ages and wish for them to help each other grow through constructive group activities. The future scope of cosmic education includes practical life skills such as financial literacy, aligning with its commitment to integrate the past, present, and future in its module, making it universally valuable for learners of all ages. In a world that is increasingly adopting AI tools like ChatGPT, Cosmic education pioneers the teaching of effective, constructive, and safe use of such tools from a young age. This empowers students to understand the consequences of ill discipline, including plagiarism and misuse of AI tools on their own personal growth, fostering responsible and ethical digital citizenship. Cosmic education, bridging the past, present, and future, equipping individuals to become environmentally conscious, critical thinkers, and creative problem solvers, ready to make a positive impact on society. Join us on this transformative journey. Together, we can reshape the way we learn and prepare for a brighter future.